Alright, so Cameron's in the car with me. We gotta warm the car up. I just washed it, so we need to get a little speed dry because I didn't bring any towels. Also, Carbon Ceramics take a few stops to get working after washing. Have you ever been on a racetrack or anything?
Yeah, I've been out on Road Atlanta.
Okay, so you know what it's like then.
A little bit. I've been to Amp a couple times.
Yeah, I like this kind of drying.
It's the best.
So the beauty of these cars is it's just so darn easy, good. You get everything that's great of the analog age, you know. There's no steering wheel controls, there's no extra buttons, but but we have PDK, so it's automated manual, so we're cheating a little bit, but we don't have there's no steering modes, or there's one suspension mode, that's it. And so that's what's so cool about these cars, is that it's the best of analog. Oh yeah, I want to get this thing dry real quickly.
And they sound incredible.
Yeah. So my car has no side mufflers, no center muffler, so it's deleted. So it sounds quite a bit different than a stock GT3. Your parents are going to be sending me a letter.
My dad loves, he's been wanting to buy one forever.
Okay.
He's going to be jealous.
That's how we get rid of the water. It always takes me a while to warm up too. I get better driving as the day goes on. Brakes in this car are insane.
So cool seeing her playing in the mirrors.
Oh yeah, yeah. We're not dry yet. This will get us dried out here. I always like going uphill better than downhill.
Downshifts are brutal.
But see how comfortable the car is at 7,000 RPMs? It's not even breaking a sweat. Other cars, you feel like you're breaking something. Oh no! Crap! I should have swung it. Oh, we can pass them though. There's a passing zone up here. Oh boy. Oh yeah. They're gonna go 25. All the way up to Chair
I
Hollow.
live here, I get behind this all the time.
The whole way. know, it's just simple enough.
Yeah.
The thing I like about these cars so much is that seating position.
Yeah.
It's just a great position.
Sure.
Like my Corvette that I just bought, like its seating position's really bad.
Which one did you get?
2018 Z06. C7 Z06.
I'm not a huge fan of that car.
Oh, I hate it. Slow down, don't go too fast. Around turns like that, but you could just go flat out right around there. I just don't have it, especially early in the morning. So that's a GT3.
That's incredible.
I like tighter, you know, go around like tight spots, like some of the tighter roads. Like
Further that way, there's a lot of it.
yeah. All right, we're gonna go down the Cherahalla. I grabbed some lunch, did my call with Shell, got a couple buddies with me now. I'm gonna drive a little slower. They're not into going as fast as I am, so we'll take it a little bit more tamely. But we're gonna go up and down, up the Dragon, maybe do Hellbender. We'll see it. We'll see how it goes. As fast as I thought he was going to be. We'll give him a little space. don't pull off. It's so heavily populated here that it's most of the times you're better off going somewhere else. But it's certainly worth the experience. I mean, just look at this. So incredible. Guys are going pretty fast compared to what they normally do. These guys seem pretty cool though. They might pull off for us when we have a spot. Oh man. I wonder what that atom feels like out here. Got some footage of the Dragon run. Dragon is the only road where I do get I can tend to get a little motion sickness if I find myself forgetting to keep my eyes up and start looking down at the ground. Pretty good at keeping the car moving somewhat balanced. Slow it down. That usually means something's up. Just keep a nice pace. Keep it under control. The cops will usually leave you alone as long as you're not doing what I was doing back there. Making a lot of noise. They're okay with you going, you know, a few over. Somewhere.